All right, this is Mark, markgps.com, and we're taking a look at 1994 South Yucca Place today. 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,534 square feet. It is $1.6 million, and we are in Twin Palms. This is a great neighborhood, mid-century. You can see the mid-century across the street. The one we're seeing is an updated version. It's been completely updated. It does not look like it's 1958 roots, but this neighborhood is actually known for being the first of the Alexander construction neighborhoods. There are wires because that's what they used to do with this neighborhood. And this home looks like it's great. It's a wonderful location. You can walk around from here. It's close to Coffee, which is over on Camino Real. So why don't we go in and take a quick look? And also thank you to the Brady Sandal Group who is allowing us to get here. That is always super useful. All right, we stepped in the front door, big double front door, which was green on the outside. And you have this really nice entryway. It's very large and shiny black floors, which is great. They look very elegant and pretty. You can see that you go down towards the living environment, and then you have this ginormous kitchen, which I know is kind of high on your list of things. First bedroom is going to be off to our left-hand side here, but I'm not going to take you to it first. I'm going to just sort of peek outside a little bit through the doors. It is like 104 outside, so I will wait to go outside to give you the full layout of the land there. But as I come around, you'll see the kitchen, which is really nice. Great layout, like you're going to be able to entertain in this kitchen without any problem. Living spaces beyond that, dining room, living room, and actually let's go ahead and walk through, take a quick look at it. You can see there are thermidor appliances here, LG refrigerator, nice gray cabinetry. I love the island. I mean, who doesn't like a good prep island? In the distance outside, you can see where the fireplace is. That's what the Brady Sandal team was using as their primary picture online. And then there's an outside barbecue. We'll get out there to take a look at that. And then there's an autofill issue going on right now. So we've got part of the team outside working on that, which is totally fine. But let's look at the inside. Okay, so lots of lighting, which I do like, a lot of good indirect lighting. Nice living room setup with gas fireplace. This is the original floor plan, actually. So this is very much how the 1950s would have been. But as I said, this has been updated very nicely. You've got a smooth texture on the wall, large area for your dining area. And then as I look back, you're gonna see where we were, which was the kitchen, the bedroom that's beyond that, which I'll catch on the back side of this tour. So as we come through, we're gonna have the main entry. You see it from this side, Palm Springs. The door to the left is where the HVAC is located. And then as I come around, we're gonna go to the first bedroom. This is adjacent to the front door. So it's where the headboard is where the front door entry is located. Very nicely done. Big windows in here. I don't know if these were replaced with larger windows, but nice views. You get to see the mountains. Those are San Jacintos that are on the outside. And this is an ensuite, so right past Mr. Sinatra. We're going to see a nice size bath. You know, you've got, again, the gray flooring, nice size mirror. Hey, it's Mark, markgps.com. This is where your closet is located, so lots of mirrors here. And then as I come around, you're gonna have a small original, actually, at least size-wise, shower. And there is definitely some air conditioning coming in here. I'm barefoot so that the tile doesn't get dirty. And it's really chilly on the floor in there. All right, so as I come back around, we were seeing the dining room and outside in the distance. And then you'll see the main bath. So this bath is going to be your powder, and there are 4 bathrooms, so there's probably one on each suite. Hey, markgps.com. I haven't looked yet, but my assumption is that's how it works. Some storage here, and this is your powder, which is going to be for when guests are coming. Ms. Liza is asking us to come into the primary bedroom, and as is the layout for this structure, this is exactly where the primary would have been in the main home. So we have a nice little extra space that's been made here. This would have been a bedroom at one point, or part of a bedroom. Instead, what's happened is this has become a really great sort of ensuite office, great views. So those are going to be views to the west, just like the front bedroom. This has really nice, big, 8-foot tall sliding doors that go towards the south, and you can see the mountains that way. This little patio is going to connect around to the outside. And as I come in here, we're going to see the primary bath. So the primary bath is set up with a double vanity and the same flooring that goes throughout, and then you have a nice size shower. And there is some storage over on this side as well. There is a large storage closet, so it's adjacent to where the, go up so you can kind of see that there's views out that way too. It's adjacent to that little office space. So there's the office, and then next door to it is going to be the owner's closet, but that's a walk-in closet. All right, so that's 2 bedrooms of the 3 bedrooms, and the 3rd bedroom is going to be all the way across and to the other side as we came in, and I said I would pick it up. So we'll take a look at that, and then I'll get my shoes back on, and we'll go outside and take a look. By the way, there is a garage door there, so you'll be coming into the house. And then here we are at bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3 is a lot of windows. You actually could have the bed on this wall here that's solid to my right. You can see the barbecue that's outside in the distance. And then this is a great room. It's got a lot of views. We're looking east, and then we're looking north as I come around. You can see that there's a door out there that's coming from the bathroom on this bedroom, which does mean that you could use this bathroom if you were doing outside stuff by the pool and whatnot. This has tile that was probably updated in the 80s, I would imagine, by the style of it. Corner shower, commode is going to be behind this door, and then we have a closet that is right through that door there. At least I think that's what that is. Yep. And as I come back around, you're going to hear that there's a ringing thing. And now as I come this way, you're going to see the entryway and then the main living area. All right, let me get my shoes on and we'll go back outside and take a look at that. Okay, so we are outside, just stepped outside, and this was the fire pit that I mentioned that they had on the listing as the main entry. So this makes for a nice place to sit because you have really great little views from here. As I come around, you're gonna see the mountain range. You're gonna see a door from the garage. Then you have the door from the bathroom. Then you have the bedroom that we were just in. And then Michael and Stephen are scuttling inside. They're from the Brady Sandall team. And then you can see the backyard is set up with a really nice large pool, raised spa, and then there is the barbecue area here. So this is really a great entertainment house. It's definitely rented. There are different notes about not using music here. We have pretty strict rules about music outside and a rental, which keeps homes from becoming party homes. Also allows us to continue having rentals in the area, which is pretty beneficial. As I come over here, I just wanted to show you the other side of the backyard. Pool equipment's on this far side. The seating area out there is off of the primary bedroom. So when we were in the primary bedroom and we saw that little seating area, that's what you're looking at. And then as I come back around, you're gonna see the back of the house and the pool. All right, well, this is Mark, markgps.com if you've got questions about real estate. And again, thank you to the agents for letting me get in.